my IV. Moment of truth. We waking up, hopefully with a repaired hernia. Not hopefully, with a repaired hernia, and I'll report back after that. Well, here I am. It's been about an hour, 2 max, since the surgery. I'm back in my hotel room. Getting around a little slow, but right now I'm still numb. Feel pretty good. Looking forward to gradually getting better and better. I've heard from the videos I've watched and the stories I've heard, day 2 and 3 are typically the worst. Like I said, right now I'm feeling numb still, but other than that, I feel pretty good. Moving around okay, but I do want to take it easy and just kind of relax, get up and walk little by little today like they recommended, and then tomorrow we'll see if this day 2 pain is as real as I hear it is. I'll keep you updated. So I just woke up from a nap. Just to fill you and give you more details on the actual procedure. My surgery took place at about 12:30 p.m. The time right now is 9 p.m. They said that around 6 hours the meds would wear off and I start to feel the effects of the pain more. I'm actually laying down right now, as you can see. Got my ice pack here. And so far, so good. As good as good can be, I guess, to be in a situation with a bandage and an ice pack right on my stomach. Pain is not that high. I say it's minimal still. But with that said, I don't really feel too much of anything. I'm still pretty numb. I think I'm still waiting for the anesthesia to wear off. I used the bathroom around 7:30 p.m. For the first time. Number 1, not number 2. Took it nice and slow. Felt pretty good. Went for about a 20-30 minute walk. Nice and slow. But again, I felt pretty good doing that as well. I have to wake up at 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. to stay on track with the meds that they gave me, and I probably need to take some stool softener in order to be able to, number 2, release, let all of that out. But other than that, I feel pretty good for being fresh. Well, not fresh, but somewhat fresh out of surgery. I'm just gonna chill out, probably do a little Netflix and chill. Me and my meds laid up together. But hopefully this is helping someone make the decision to go ahead and have this procedure done. Again, I had the Desarda hernia procedure done, inguinal hernia on my left side. I opted against laparoscopic because I didn't want to get mesh put in my body, basically, plain and simple. So I went with the no mesh technique, and we'll see how it goes. But so far so good, and I'll keep you updated little by little, and hopefully, like I said, this can help somebody make their decision easier.